Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that might be literally keeping you up at night. We're talking about snoring and how to tackle it with herbal remedies. If you or someone you know sounds like a freight train at night, stick around because we've got some exciting and natural solutions for you. Let's face it, where there's an ailment, there's usually a natural remedy ready to save the day, and snoring is no exception. Snoring doesn't just ruin your sleep quality, it can also drive others up the wall. So, what causes this nighttime noise? Common culprits include sleeping pill abuse, nasal congestion, sleeping on your back, alcohol, and caffeine. Identifying the root cause is key to finding the right treatment. Let's talk about some powerful herbal remedies that can help you get a peaceful night's sleep. First up, let's discuss ginger. This amazing herb promotes saliva secretion, helping to relax and soothe the throat. Pair it with honey, and you've got a dynamic duo that can reduce the symptoms of a cold and help with snoring. To use ginger and honey, make a ginger tea by boiling fresh ginger slices in water, then add a spoonful of honey. Drink this warm concoction before bed and feel the difference. Next, we have yam. Just like vitamin C, yam is fantastic for easing and soothing the throat. It can be consumed as a supplement or incorporated into your meals for a snore-free night. If your snoring is due to blocked sinuses, you might want to try herbal nasal sprays. These sprays are designed to open up nasal passages, making it easier for you to breathe. The beauty of herbal remedies is that they don't just mask the problem, they work to eradicate the root cause. Plus, they come with the added bonus of no side effects as long as you don't overdo it. It's all about natural healing. So, there you have it. Herbal remedies like ginger, yam, and herbal nasal sprays can help you kiss snoring goodbye. Remember, a few lifestyle changes combined with these natural solutions can lead to a much quieter and more restful night. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay healthy, stay happy, and sleep tight. See you in the next video.